Introducing the 2-in-1 Hybrid Coffee Brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Sboly. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by Sboly.
We're hard-working Americans, and we love our coffee. Whether we brew coffee once a day or once a year, we can count on the BUNN Heat and Brew coffee maker to deliver. Pour cold water in, press the brew button, and it heats all the water to the ideal brewing temperature of about 200 degrees. Then a temperature-sensitive valve opens and the brewing begins. It takes about 6 minutes to heat the water and 4 minutes to brew a full pot of coffee. We can also choose to preset a morning start time and wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The Heat and Brew uses the same professional standards that made BUNN America's leading commercial coffee equipment company, so we can always count on great tasting coffee at home too. It features an open, airy design that complements any kitchen and can easily be stored out of sight when not in use, freeing up valuable counter space. The Heat and Brew comes with an exclusive drip-free carafe, an automatic warmer plate, and a premium 3-year warranty because it's built to last. So go ahead, pour another cup. We'll brew more.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Scoop 2-way brewer coffee maker. If you're a coffee lover, there are days when you're going to want to brew a full pot and spend the whole morning relaxing and enjoying it. But there are also those mornings you're going to be hitting the road with just 1 cup. Now there's no reason you can't have it both ways. The unique scoop measures and filters your coffee, making it easy to brew a quick cup of coffee instantly. Or you can program the coffee maker to make a full pot. Just set the programmable timer for when you want it and let it do the rest. The 12-cup glass carafe holds enough coffee for a crowd, and the single-serve side comes with a 14-ounce travel mug and is adjustable to fit a smaller coffee cup. Now that's good thinking.